Welcome to the Solarglide Micro Blinds installation guide for small windows and portholes. The tools you will need to complete this installation project: a pair of scissors, an electric drill, a tape measure, a crosshead screwdriver, a pencil and a spirit level. The microblind is a bracketless system and is suitable for small ship windows, including door windows and portholes. Solarglide offer two installation types: top fix and face fix. Top fix installation is where the blind is installed into the ceiling or into the roof of a window box. Face fix installation is where the blind is installed into the bulkhead wall above the window. The following guide will outline a face fix installation. Mark the position for the blind above the window. Use the two holes at each end of a cassette as templates, ensuring the blind is straight and evenly spaced. The microblind does not require fixing brackets and can be fixed into position through the ends of the cassettes. Simply remove the slide caps and secure the blind into position with the screws provided. Two screws are required, one at each end. If mounting into metal or cladding, the use of an electric drill and rule plugs may be required. The blind should be placed away from the window when drilling the fixing holes. Do not drill through the blind holes. Once the blind is secured, push the screw caps back into position in order to conceal the fixing screws. The next component to install is the bottom rail clip. The pull handle comes pre-attached to the center of the bottom rail. Use this handle as your guide when marking the clip. The clip is secured using a single screw and should be positioned in the center, directly beneath the window, as shown. Ensure the blind is retracted into the cassette before screwing the clip into position. Test the blind by gently pulling it down the window. Hook the bottom rail pulley into the clip, as shown. Tilt the bottom rail handle to release and guide the blind back up the window. Do not let go of the handle, as the blind will quickly recoil, which could cause damage to the blind. The last components to install are the two level pegs. The level pegs sit either side of the blind and allow it to be set at a midway point down the window. Measure midway down the window and carefully mark the level peg positions. Ensure the positions are symmetrical and do not interfere with the blind fabric. If the fabric touches the level pegs, you will need to reposition them outwards. It is vital that the fabric does not have any obstructions. Remove the screw caps from both level pegs and ensure to retract the blind back into the cassette before securing the pegs into position. One screw is needed per level peg. With the level peg secured, push the screw caps back into position. Test the blind at the halfway point by pulling the bottom bar and hooking it under the pegs, as shown. Again, make sure there is no contact between the level pegs and the blind fabric. Proceed to pull the blind to the closed position and secure into the clip. If all operates successfully, with no obstructions, then the microblind installation is complete. If you require further assistance, contact the team at solarglide.com.